Okay, so this is another day and we're going to try this again with that 40-volt chainsaw because what happened is I think when I tried on this lug the other day, I probably put the chainsaw on overheating mode, or the battery on overheating mode, so maybe the stats or the test that we did wasn't quite accurate. So I'm gonna try with the smaller lug. So this one is probably 6" in diameter, and we're gonna see if the chainsaw can handle it or if there's any trouble with it. So yeah, let's get started. So it does cut way better today. Alright, let's try something a little bit bigger and see how it goes. This slug here is probably about, I would say, 10 to 12" in diameter. So let's try to do a cut into this one and see if that chainsaw can handle it. So as you can see, there's something wrong with the chainsaw here. It's been smoking quite a bit trying to go through the slug. I wasn't able to do that cut all the way. It might be the bar that is actually twisted a little bit. So I took the bar out. Looks like it had a big buildup of stuff. I already scraped some off here. So maybe this is why that bar wasn't going straight. The bar itself, if I put it on the tailgate of my truck, looks straight. Alright, so I clear up everything that was stuck in that guard there, all the buildup. We're gonna try another cut and see if it's smoking and if it fixed the problem. So as you can see here, obviously there's something wrong. The blade keeps wanting to go sideways. I'm trying to cut straight. I'm not putting any pressure on the blade and it keeps doing cuts like this. Like as soon as the blade goes in and off, then it twists like this into the log. This one too is trying to go straight, so it was straight up to here and then it went crooked. This one here is way more obvious because I went way deeper into it. So yeah, I'll have to figure out. It's probably is the bar that have something wrong with it. Like by eye, it's very hard to see that there's actually something wrong, but I don't know. I'll have to try those. So now, until I fix that bar and the chain on that chainsaw, I can't make an accurate video for you guys, unfortunately, to be able to show you how good the 40 volt chainsaw is doing. So right now I'm in the middle of nowhere, so there's no access to any of this now. So I'm going to have to do some more video and test about this after I fix it in a few weeks. So until then, I'll keep doing some more videos about other projects that I can test here, and keep uploading some videos for you guys. And then yeah, for this one, unfortunately, it's gonna take a few weeks. All right, we'll see you in the next video.